Hey guys, I'm back and I just did a good transformation literally by myself, even though this girl said that she helped me. She really didn't, but I kind of found out on my own the how I changed my look. So I'm gonna show y'all what she looks like and why I wanted to change it. So I'm gonna go to my feed. And actually, I could do it on my phone, but y'all wouldn't be able to see it on my phone. So I'm gonna just. Okay, so this is the newest picture that I posted. I said the caption for the picture was actually. Let me go back on my phone. Okay, the caption on the picture, because I had to go back, that's probably why it didn't post, but I said, what's better than changing it up sometime? And she was like, you're welcome. I said, thanks, baby. But honestly, she really didn't help me out. Like, I helped myself out, so I don't really think she helped me. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys why I changed my look. Because I mean I can go back anytime I want. Like I can go back to my other one if I want to, but I don't think I am. Like I'm in love with this look. Alright. But yeah, this is my new look. Okay. And so what changed my mind about this is because I figured it out. Like I've had the same head, the same long head for about 2 years. I just now changed it. I had all these other heads, but they don't look right on me, so I didn't like them on me. And yeah, um, but one thing I like about it is I just like my head smaller, and I just think it's better, not so laggy for me. And yeah, it's just better. And I don't gotta worry about too much because it's just not that much trouble. Alright, so I'm gonna change my look so y'all can get a better look of what my look is. So let me put on something cute for y'all. Okay, I'm gonna keep the heels on because that actually matches. And I'm gonna change my hair. And some of the hairs on my avatar now don't look so good, but it's still cute though. I like it still. I could still snatch up anybody's nails. Really, really. um, but yeah, I could still snatch up whoever's nails I want to, cause this, I'm a badass bitch. Fuck you mean? And if you don't think that's true, keep your thoughts to yourself because I'm always be yeah, I'm always be a badass bitch. So yeah, nobody's gonna change what I think in my head. So bruh, I really don't even know what to put on. Okay, I'm gonna just put on this. But I didn't want to change my avatar. Like, but I just feel like I'm a little too tall and my head is a little too small, so I don't even know anymore. Like, I don't feel ugly. Like, if that's not a bad thing, because I'm gonna show you guys how I used to look, and you guys know how I used to look. So, okay, so compared to this look to this look. Come on, put the damn look on. See, this is what I'm saying? Like, it's so laggy. Like, the look is so laggy. Okay, so this is the, like, this is like a more dope look though, like, but I don't know. Yeah, like, I don't even know, like, even, I don't know. It's like so hard though to like pick what I really want to be, cause like both avatars are so cute, both of them are actually, but honestly, like I can go dot around and be so cute. Okay, anyways, but I'm this avatar now, so nobody's gonna change that now. So okay, I'm really picky. Like I'm gonna see something. I think I got some black shoes to go. Even though I don't like how that glitches through my fucking nothing. We're taking that off. Okay, that's cute. What if I didn't have circles? Okay, I would just look like that. I'm really debating on I don't even know what to do. Okay. It'd be so hard to just pick whatever you want. Like, it just be so hard. Okay, we're saving this. Okay, we're gonna go find a man just like this and somebody better freaking like me. Like, it took me forever to just get this look together. Like, I had to literally wait for the girl to text me back to be like, yeah, it's okay if you steal my look. Like, are you serious right now? Like, I better get in there. I'm gonna flip out. Call my friends back. Okay. Wow. After, this is crazy. They're so weird. Like, 1 minute. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah, we're supposed to be taking pictures. I forgot. With the boats down. Our picture's gonna come out so cute. I'm sorry if I'm lagging. I have so much going on right now. And plus I'm recording and everything. It's just a lot. Like, I be wondering like how I look on other people's screen. Like, I be feeling like I'm so ugly. Oh my god. Okay, and then plus my friends company call. Hold on, do you? Hey Samantha, I'm gonna put you on mute real quick, okay? Okay, so I just asked her, bro, do she like me? Duh, bitch. Ah. Guess what? I'm recording. Okay, but anyways, like I was saying, okay, so I asked her. I was like, she. Hold on, I'm so confused right now. I said, do you like me? She said, yes. Maybe I have to think why. Yes, think. I want to know why. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love, baby? Now, I will date a girl on this game. Like, I really don't even care. It's just a game. Like, plus, like, I have so much going on right now. Would you believe me if I said I just, baby? Why is my face just like hidden in her freaking? Oh my god. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love, baby? Lay yourself beside me. Lay yourself beside me. How can I sing? What the fuck is this bitch doing in the? What are you doing in the dark? What are you doing in the dark? What are you doing for real? For real? Lay yourself beside me. But her room is like so freaking weird. Lay yourself beside me. Okay. Where's this gonna go? Where's it gonna go? I'm gonna just hold on. I'm gonna just flirt with her because like girl, I haven't been on Musically. I haven't been on Musically. I haven't been on Musically. Mm-mm. Don't be doing all that click clacking. you know, you know how you like that click clack clicky click, bro. You too. I know y'all heard that shit. Yo, y'all, you funny. Yeah, I'm putting on lip gloss. Is your brother there with you? Is your brother there with you? Uh, you by yourself? Why? You said what?